Hello people, I hope you all are doing great. Again I'm back while taking one of the very important session of the real number. As you know very well people, from the number system generally 6 marks weightage generally comes for a board exam. Out of the 6 marks and the most important from the from the number system, only one chapter is included, that is all about the real number. Real number से 6 marks तक पूछा आता है, both for standard aspirant as well as basic aspirant people. Is it clear to everyone? And the most important also, let me say that out of 6 marks from the real number, proof root 5 is a rational number, root 2 is a rational number, root 3 is a rational number, 2 plus 3 root 5 is a rational number, 3 minus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Is this type of question generally asked in your examination, and each weightage is all about 3 marks each. That means here I concluded that in your midterm exam, in your school exam, यहाँ से तो 1 मार्क्स का डेफिनेटली मैंडेटरी क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. इज वेरी इफ इन द बोर्ड एग्जाम ऑल्सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जनरली आस्क्ड, तो 3 मार्क्स. ऑलराइट, एंड हियर ऑल्सो वी कंक्लूडेड वन मोर थिंग. आउट ऑफ 6 3 मार्क का आज हम पढ़ लेंगे यहाँ से. उसका मतलब ये होता 80 से इन बोर्ड एग्जाम आउट ऑफ 80 I am discussing 3 marks from here. And the people, those who are new to the channel, those who have not seen the part 1 as well as part 2 video, exercise 1.1 as well as exercise 1.2, I would like to recommend each and everyone, please just go and watch it down, and the link has been given in the description box, because I have talked a lots of basic fundamental things over there, right? So let us start with a number, exercise number 1.3, number 1 question, that is prove that root 5 is all about an irrational number. How to prove? So let us assume that root 5 is a rational number. You can write, let us take root 5 is a rational number, no problem regarding it. Let us assume that root 5 is a rational number in which a and b are co-prime while b is not equals to 0. You know very well what is a rational number. Rational number is a number in which it can be written in the form of a upon b or p upon q, in which q is not equals to 0. Is it clear to all children? It can be written in the form of p upon q, in which q is not equals to 0, or else also you know very well about a rational number which is terminating as well as repeating. Terminating का मतलब होता है, for example 3 upon 5 कट जाता है, repeating 10 upon 3 3.33333 is all about a rational number. So even I can write in this way that root 5 is a rational number which can be written in the form of a upon b. So I can even write in this way, root 5 equals to a upon b. Can I write it down? Yes children. So now what to do? Very important. Acha, now you might be thinking, sir, what do you mean by co-prime? Prime number, you know, prime number is a number which can be divisible by 1 as well as itself. But co-prime means number, very important logic also. Co-prime number is a number. Co-prime number is a number of two numbers whose factor is always 1. मतलब two numbers, दो number का जिक्र होता है. For example 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are the two numbers. दो number होता है जिसमें से उनका factor एक ही होता है. So what is the factor? And अगर इन दोनों को कैलकुलेशन करते तो फैक्टर एक ही होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अनदर एग्जाम्पल 4 and 11. So you might be thinking, sir, 4 is a composite number. What is a composite number? Composite number is a number in which a number whose factor is always 1 as well as the number can be divisible by 1 as well as itself as well as other number. So 4 can be divisible by 1, 4 as well as 2. So here is all about a co-prime number. Why? Because his factor is 1, here his factor is also 1. अगर इसका दो अगर हम काट दें in this way, so here is all about, it will come as a 1. Is it clear? Acha, this is all about a co-prime number. I think the concept of the co-prime number is clear to you. So now what to do? So can I write it down? Root 5 is a rational number in which it can be written upon a upon b. So root 5 equals to a upon b, squaring both the side. Then after squaring both the side, very very important, squaring both the side. ये वाला बहुत important, very easy. Squaring both the side. After squaring both the side, what you will get people? 5 square equals to a upon b whole square. So I can even say root 5 into root 5 is all about a 5, a square upon b square. If you don't know, let me have a brief analysis about that. Root 5 into root 5, root cancel is all about a 5. So I can even say 5 equals to a square upon b square. So यहाँ पर भी ऐसे हम कर सकते हैं border पार. B square will go over here, so b square 5 equals to a square. Even I can write it down. Now children, I can even write it down that b square equals to a square upon 5. Is it clear? I think up to this much you understood very well. What we concluded that here, so a can be divisible by 5. So here we are concluded, so a can be divisible by 5. And a square can also be divisible by 5. divisible by 5. Now you might be thinking, sir, how a square can be divisible by 5? See children, a square can be divisible by 5 because of many reasons. See, now let me assume in case of a, let me put 5 square equals to 5 upon 5, 25 upon 5. So obviously it may get cancelled. Now let me take another example, 7 square upon 7, so 49 upon 7. So that's here be also I can conclude that a भी डिवाइड हो सकता है 5, a स्क्वायर भी डिवाइड हो सकता है 5. अंडरस्टूड? दैट मीन्स स्टेप नंबर 1 इज अंडरस्टूड. स्टेप नंबर 2, थोड़ा सा लिटिल बिट चेंजेस, वेरी इजी ऑल्सो लिटिल बिट चेंजेस. व्हाट आर द लिटिल बिट चेंजेस चिल्ड्रन? So let us take, so let, now here I will be talking about let a equals to 5m. So let us take a equals to 5m where m is some integers. M is some integers. Yes children. So can I write it down in this way? Root 5 equals to 5m upon b. Why? Because instead of a I can write it down 5m. Yes. Squaring both the side, ये वाला मेथड टोटल कॉपी पेस्ट यहाँ पे हो जाएगा. Squaring both the side, squaring both the side, very easy. I hope you will understand it very manner. And कितने बार बोलूँ ये की बात को, रूट 3 वाला रूट 5 वाला तो क्वेश्चन आएगा ही आएगा एग्जाम में. 3 मार्क लिख दिए हैं ना यहाँ पर, 3 मार्क्स. अगर भी पीपल अगर तुमसे भी कुछ सॉल्व नहीं होता है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करना. इवन इफ यू कैन सेंड मी मेनी social website has been given in the description links. You can send me everything and definitely watch part 1 as well as part 2. Squaring both the side, what beta? Squaring both the side, root 5 whole square equals to 5m upon b whole square. So after getting it, what shall I get? 5 equals to 25m square upon b square. So border par, here I will take b square, 5 equals to 25m square. So again I will take here b square equals to 25m square upon 5. So which will get cancelled 5. So I can even write it down, b square upon 5 equals to m square. Is it clear? I think ये तो बच्चों का ख्याल है, तुम्हें पता ही होगा. So what we concluded that? We concluded that here b, so b can be divisible by 5. So b can be divisible by 5. So b square can be also be divisible by 5. B square can also be divisible by 5. So b square can also be divisible by 5. Is it clear children? B square मतलब अभी थोड़ा तो पहले बताया था ना, b square का in case of b square I may write it down 8. In case of b square can I write it down 8 square? 8 square is all over 64 upon 8. Okay, in case of b square, another example, 7 square upon 7, which is all about 49 upon 7. Is it clear? So see, so this is all about, right? So what we got over concluded here, that this is up to this. What we concluded here, we concluded that a can be divisible by 5, b can be divisible by 5. That means this is not a, what that means here we concluded that this entire thing is not a co-prime number. Why? Because co-prime number is a number which can be divisible by 1 only. The factor is 1, right beta? फैक्टर ही एक होता है, मगर यहाँ का फैक्टर कितना निकला? 5 निकला ना. फॉर दैट रीजन रूट 5 इज नॉट ए कोप्राइम नंबर. रूट 5 इज नॉट ए कोप्राइम. अगर ये कोप्राइम नंबर नहीं हुआ तो क्या हुआ? रैशनल नंबर ही तो हुआ ना चिल्ड्रन. सो नाउ you can just write it down, take a screenshot about that and how to write in an exam. And one more thing, अगर एक बच्चा यहाँ से इतना कर देता है उसे 2 ही मार्क मिलेंगे, 3 नहीं मिलेगा. because 1 mark is all about writing the last conclusion is very important. For example, contradiction, assumption, writing the contradiction, writing the assumption is very important to your people. If you don't know how to write, you can see something on my left. It's very important, something on my left. You can even take the screenshot, copy paste just. And also while doing this all, whenever you people are looking after the video solution, please I request even that take the pen and paper in your hand, just solve it out with me. This is all about the concept and you can see everything the left of me and the video and the solution has been given to you. So let us start with the bit 2. 3 plus 2 root 5, right? We're talking about that, prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Okay, the question which I am taking and which I am doing over here, generally it is a board questions. All right, see, proof number 1 bit 2. prove that NCERT question, all right, this is all about NCERT book से check कर लो. Prove that 3 plus 2 under root of 5 is a irrational number. We have to prove. Again, let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number in which a and b are co-prime while b is not equals to 0. Again, b is not equals to 0. I think this much is definitely clear to you. Now what to do? There in the first question, the first solution, we are doing squaring both the sides. And here we should not do squaring both the sides. So I can directly write in this way: 3 plus 2 root 5 equals to a upon b. Can I write it down in this way? Yes. Why? Because it is a rational number. Why it is a rational number? Because we have assumed it that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number where a and b are co-prime while b is not equals to 0. Simple and straight. Rational number can be written in the form of p upon q or a upon b. So I can even say in this way. Can I write in this way? 2 root 5 equals to a bata b minus 3. Can I write it down in this way, children? Yes. So again I can write in this way. Root 5 equals to what, children? Now root 5 equals to, see, I can write here root 5 equals to a upon 2b minus 3 upon 2. मल्टीप्लीकेशन में था, यहां पर आ जाएगा डिवीजन में आ जाएगा. सो 2 came here, 2b it become as well as 2 it become. So now you see something very easy. It's a very easy comparison to root 5 वाला. यहां पर कुछ नहीं है करने में. देखो root 5 equals to, so 2 came here and 2 came here, so it become 2 a upon 2b minus 3 upon 2, right? So now we got something that this is a what, children, see, this is a term of a fraction, so this is a rational number. So a upon 2b minus 3 upon 2 is a rational number, right? Why it is a rational number? Because the denominator is not 0, the denominator is more than 0, more than 1, so it is a rational number. So if it is a rational number, so here also we concluded that root 5 is a rational number, as LHS equals to RHS, LHS equals to RHS. Am I correct? So if this is a rational number, obviously here is also a root 5 is also a rational number. So here that root 5 is a rational number. But in the first solution what we proved? Root 5 तो irrational number होता है, children. So here we got the other, children, see, a upon 2b minus 3 upon 2 is a rational number, right? Why? Because it is in a fraction. Terminate हो सकता है because it is in a fraction. So it is a rational number. If it is a rational number in RHS, definitely LHS is also a rational number. So we concluded that root 5 is a rational number. But what we understood, हमें क्या पता है, वो तो rational number नहीं है ना. But root 5, so here is here, यहाँ पर, so here root 5 is a rational number, but we knew that, in this way you have to write, but we knew that root 5 is a irrational number. Irrational number, हमारा assumption गलत निकला. Irrational number, so now you can see something on the screen, you can write it down in this way. So our assumption become incorrect. So हमारा तो assumption था ये वाला rational number, so our assumption become incorrect. So what to write at the end? Conclusion part. Therefore our assumption, or suppose our assumption, so our assumption is incorrect. So what beta? 3 plus root 2 root 5 is a rational number. Is a irrational number. Directly 3 mark तुम्हारे pocket में. It's very easy, children, am I right? So it's very easy. Comparison to root 5 is very easy, and definitely ऐसे ही कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है, हमारा ऐसे उम्मीद है. देखा, let's say what generally comes. So let us start with the exercise 1.4 on the next video. Thank you.